Alright, welcome to the Accor APS tutorial. So first you need to do is, for example, I'm using the base APC model. So I have this APS model, the Accor from the Altai MBT. So what you do is place the model in the tank, position it where you want it to be, sample like here. Then you need to make a empty here, set it as the Accor, or you can set it as the APS parent. The APS parent is going to be the thing that rotates the pivot. The whole thing rotates. So for example, the APS parent is here. It's going to rotate like this, like this. Yeah, my APS model is single axis. Yep. Then when we have the model, we need a particle effect. Simply put the particle effect. You can put it inside the model, you can put it inside the parent, anywhere you want. So I'm using again a stock particle, I think. Yeah. Then you need to create another empty at the vehicle. This time the scale, the transforming doesn't matter, so I'm just gonna put it into 0, 0, 0, scale 1, 1, 1. Create a scripted behavior from here, add component, scripted behavior. Click on here, it like this. And again, create a component data container. On the scripted behavior, on the source, you want to search for the APS script, aps.lua, and you want to have 4 targets. You can do it like, example, when you first start out, you have 0 target, click 4, and it will get open. One thing, if it's collapsed like this, you can just press Alt. So while clicking Alt, you click the arrow. Cool thing. So you want 4 targets: vehicle object, launch, ammo display, and axis. So vehicle object is the root of your vehicle, APC, put it here. The launch is the particle effect, ammo display, so go to your HUD canvas. Let's turn on the HUD canvas. On the HUD parent, APS ammo display, so you create a text, and the ammo display is a text that has 10. So basically you put how much ammo you want here. So example, we use 10, so we make a 10 like so. On the Accor script, put the ammo display, not the APS ammo display, because on runtime, if you put the APS ammo display, it will be 10 like this, right? And the axis is the APS parent, this thing here. Let's turn off the HUD canvas and delete the old Accor. So that's all covered for the targets. Now we move on to the data container. You want 1 integer, 3 float, and 1 string. Simply just type in the number on the array size and you will get it. For the integer, you want to put in APS ammo, and the value is whatever ammo you want to use. For example, 10. On the float, load duration is how many duration it takes to reload 1 ammo. For example, if you want 60 seconds to reload all the 10, you do 60 divided by 10. We can do that here. 60 divided by 10 is 6. APS rotate is how fast the APS rotates to intercept the target. Since the APS actually rotates and will not destroy the target until it faces the warhead. Yeah, so the APS will take put in a high number, usually 3600 is good, right? And then there's the APS range. This is the range when the APS will be used. So 50-meter radius. If a warhead is shot from 60-meter, it won't get intercepted until it gets to the 50-meter radius. And the load keybind is the keybind for reloading the core, which is Y. Well, you can put in anything. I'm just using Y for demonstrative purposes. Right, when you're done, just put in the APC on the prefab. Place anyway. And then let's test it. I just forgot that I cannot pause the stream. So sorry for this. There we go. Ravenfield is starting up. Here we are. Go here. Let's take an APC. Let us the core. Just realized that I didn't have the audio on for the game, but that's fine. You will not hear it. So if we enable the slow-mo and shoot at the APC, you will see that the warhead is exploded with air and the particle effect on the core displayed. There's a bit of mistake here. It faces the wrong direction, but we'll fix that here. I know the roots of the problem, but forgot to address it. Okay, everything works. And the display should work. Let's test the display. APS, I'm already alright. Another thing that I forgot to address. Let's fix the issue real quick. So on the APS parent, enable the pivot and local. To make this easier, you can just prefab unpack on the model, put it out. What you want to do is put the blue arrow facing the forward of the APS, so the APS will face that way. So you want the blue arrow to face that way. We rotate on the there we go. Usually 000 will do. Don't have to do the scouting, but yeah. Alright, and then on the ammo counter, I forgot to disable a script countermeasure status indicator. I forgot that one. Set again as the APC and test it. Alright, there we go. It's just stuff. That's it. Alright, it's done good. Very nice. Like the APC, stop here, like the RPG. More like all good stuff, but right, if you're getting this thing, the damage indicator, it's because the core the APS turns so fast, it detonates the warhead close at you. So it's an unplanned feature. So when the peoples are close to you, they can die from their own warhead. See, the health point of the quad bike has been lowered, and my teammate before flies. Oops. APS ammo 9, and when we press Y, we wait 6 seconds. 5, 6, 6, yeah, 6. APS ammo 10. That's it for the video. Hope that helps. And the APS rotation is fixed. That's all, folks. Thank you.